When I get an Indian person upset, tell them they did something illegal. Dad, was this legal? Of course it was legal! I was at an intersection. I put on my indicator. Did your indicator work? And this is where my dad screws up the sound. It was working just fine. Tak, ta, tak, ta, tak, ta, tak, ta, tak, ta. I go, what the hell is that noise? That's my indicator. Tak, ta, tak, ta, tak, ta, tak, ta. Why does your indicator have an accent? You know it's not an indicator, right? Shouldn't it be going... That's what it's doing. What are you hearing? Tak, ta, tak, ta, tak, ta, tak, ta. All right, then what happened? Then I proceeded to make the turn. Suddenly, the engine went... Your engine went... Let me get this straight. Your indicator went... Tak, ta, tak, ta, tak, ta. And then your engine went... Right. Dad, your car is an illegal immigrant.